Little dab to leg slip and some.
What's this here? Marlon Samuels. And I don't know what. I thought they were joking there, but they weren't. I thought Samuels thought he was joking, but Huss wasn't happy.
No, Huss is not happy. And rightly so. He shouldn't be happy because Samuels made a joke out of it. But the fact was he denied him a run.
What an over from Shane Warne.
Grab some people. They grab some more people. Yeah, just Shane Warne there getting a bit upset with Marlon Samuels because he grabbed David Hussey when David Hussey was batting, and David Hussey wasn't happy about it. So a bit of niggle out there.
Been some shades of the WWE in the last few games. They're still going.
A bit of passion in the BBL.
Ball's left in this over, and I can't wait for the next one. Warne versus Samuels. But will Samuels be able to contain the emotion at the moment?
Oh, another beauty, and that's courageous bowling from Mackay, because if he bowls another one, and what's going, the bat's thrown. What is going on? It's completely lost out here. The umpires, they're talking about running him out. I don't think they need to do that. Things need to settle.
Yeah, getting far too heated out there. Got to get back on and playing cricket. Marlon Samuels has had enough. He's been chatted to a fair bit by the Stars, and the umpires, Sam Nagolski and Simon Fry, just trying to settle things down, saying, look, we had a bit to say in the last over, let's keep it settled down. Yeah, well, Warne coming in. I don't think anyone would have been happy with that. But throwing the bat.
Well, I tried to just run in there, and I tried to throw the ball to Bobby Quine, and the next minute I had to try and get out the way of a bat. But, you know, there's all this sort of stuff in the heat of the moment, and that's just the way it goes. I hope he's okay.
The throw wasn't deliberate at him? No, your throw to him.
I tried to throw the ball at Bobby, but...
Do you think there'll be some disciplinary action coming out of that incident earlier?
No, I don't think so. As I said, it was one of those heat of the moment.